If cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted keeps failing, you're doing this wrong, and here's the 4-minute fix. Here's the problem. Most start with the tool, not the outcome. Win 1. Write your outcome in one sentence in under 60 seconds. Win 2. Pick the smallest version of cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted you can ship in 7 days. Why does this matter now? A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours your bookings drop 30%. Cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted done right closes that gap in days, not months. Most people fail here. They jump straight to tactics without defining the outcome. Do not do this. 82% of cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted attempts die in week 1 for this exact reason. Step 2. Timebox the first cycle to 7 days. 82% of cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted attempts that ship in week 1 keep going. Step 3. Set one number to track. This is important. Most people pick 4 KPIs and lose focus by day 3. One number costs $0 and saves 4 weeks. Here's the problem. Most cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted guides skip the measurement step. That is why 7 in 10 attempts die in week 2. Once steps 1 to 3 are working, here is the move that separates pros from amateurs. Layer cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted into a weekly review. Every Monday, look at the one number. Ask one question: did it move? If yes, double down. If no, change one variable, not 5. The viewer who masters this beats 90% of competitors. Use this exact phrase when you start: by Friday I will know if cheapest way to get Trustpilot reviews posted moved my one number. Outcome first, tool last. Ship the smallest version in 7 days. Track one number weekly. Manage your online reputation. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.